Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad using Milkmaid. First, choose a variety of your favorite fresh fruits, like grapes, apples, and bananas. You'll also need a standard 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, often known as Milkmaid. Make sure you have a large bowl and a good mixing spoon ready for combining everything smoothly. Next, let's prepare your chosen fruits. Begin by washing everything thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or residue. For fruits with skins, like apples or pears, peel them carefully and remove any cores or seeds. Then, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes for easy eating. Now it's time to bring it all together. Pour the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, or Milkmaid, into your large mixing bowl. Add all your prepared, bite-sized fruit pieces to the bowl. Using a spoon, gently fold the fruit into the Milkmaid until every piece is evenly coated. This ensures a creamy, delicious texture throughout. Once your fruit salad is thoroughly chilled, it's ready to be served. This delightful dish makes a perfect, refreshing dessert or a sweet snack. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a few fresh mint leaves. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and enjoyed within 2 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.